Ang bahaging ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Bureau of Internal Revenue, RDO 38, North Quezon City. Usapang buwis naman tayo mga ka-entrepreneurs. Ang transfer taxes ay ang buwis na binabayaran sa paglipat ng mga property titles from one party to another. Kabilang dito ang estate taxes at ang donor taxes. Ngayong hapon, pag-usapan natin ano nga ba ang donor tax? Sino ang dapat magbayad nito? At kailan ba dapat ito binabayaran? Pakinggan natin ang paliwanag ni Margie De Castro ng BIR RDO 038 dito sa EntrepTips.
Magandang hapon mga ka-entrepreneurs. Ang pag-uusapan natin sa hapong ito ay ang types of transfer taxes. We have estate tax, donor's tax, and capital gains tax. Ang estate tax ay napag-usapan na natin nung nakaraan. So, ngayong hapong ito ay tungkol naman sa donor's tax. Donor's tax is a tax imposed on transfer of property by way of gift inter vivos. Now, inter vivos is a Latin phrase meaning while alive. This transfer of real property by way of gift is perfected from the moment the donee accepts the said donation. There are transactions, though it's not covered by a deed of donation, but still they are subject to donor's tax. Like for example, renunciation or waiver of the share of the surviving spouse on the conjugal share of the estate of the deceased spouse. Yung share ng surviving spouse sa conjugal properties ng deceased person, they are subject to donor's tax if wini-waive or renounce niya in favor of the children. Now, another transaction which is subject to donor's tax is the transfer of property less than the adequate or full consideration of such property. So, it is deemed gift, so subject to donor's tax. The filing of the deed of donation is 30 days from the date of notarial. So, take note, 30 days, it's not month because there are months which has 28, 29, or 31 days. Para hindi po tayo ma-penalty, dapat 30 days from the notarial date. Ang mga documentary requirements na kailangan mong isubmit para magpa-compute ng donor's tax are the following. Fair market value of the property, makikita po yan sa tax declaration. Pwedeng kukunin po yan sa city or provincial assessor kung saan located ang property. Then, the zonal valuation of the property na makukuha mo sa website ni BIR or sa Revenue District Office. And also, the certified true copy of the title of such property which is subject of the donation. And also, the duly filled up BIR Form 1800 which is the donor's tax return. Ang donor's tax is computed on a cumulative basis over a period of 1 calendar year. Ibig sabihin, pag may donation ka for January of 2022, so i-compute yan. Pag may ibang donation ka na naman na gagawin on the month of March, ang computation yon cumulative, meaning ang donation na ginawa mo sa January, ito total yan sa donation na ginawa mo sa March. Pag total niyan, i-less ang exemption, then i-compute yung donor's tax due. Then after that, yung binayaran mo sa donation mo nung month of January, i-deduct din. Then ang maiiwan, yun po yung babayaran mo for your donation made on March. For purposes of computing donor's tax, the husband and the wife are considered separate and distinct taxpayer. Meaning, if ang property subject of donation is a conjugal property and ang husband lang po ang nakasign doon sa deed of donation, pero the conjugal property is transferred, hindi pwede yon kasi ang wife has the right to question the validity of such deed of donation. Before the train law, may distinction po kung si anong klaseng donee po yung bibigyan ng donor. So, there is a separate computation if the donee is a stranger. May separate computation din pag ang donee is a relative. Kasi pag stranger ang donee, automatic 30% ang donor's tax. Pag relative, subject to schedular table under RA 8424 to minimum of 2% maximum of 15% at may iba-ibang pang schedular tax table depende kung anong Republic Act ang in effect on that date of donation. Under the train law, wala na pong distinction. So, pwede stranger, pwede relative. The same donor's tax rate, flat rate of 6% on the net taxable donation. Sa mga karagdagang katanungan, pwede nyo pong bisitahin ang website ni BIR which is www.bir.gov.ph or pwede nyo pong tawagan sa mga contact numbers na ipa-flash sa screen. Abangan natin next week, ang pag-uusapan natin ay tungkol sa capital gains tax, especially yung nag-engage sa buy and sell of real properties. Maiba po tayo mga ka-Entrepinas, ipaalala ko lang sa inyo na ang deadline ng filing ng income tax return natin is on April 18, 2022. Marami po tayong mga filing centers. We have filing centers sa National Office ng BIR, sa regional offices as well as the revenue district offices ni BIR. Meron din sa mga mall, kaya i-check ninyo na lang sa website ng national office namin. Muli ako si Margie De Castro para sa Entrepinas TV. Sabay-sabay tayong umasenso sa buhay at negosyo.